Most women have only ever experienced clitoral orgasms, and when they experience these much deeper full body levels of orgasm, it often completely changes them and helps them awaken so much more creative sexual and personal power. Hey guys, I'm Jonathan White. I'm here to help you master your sexual energy so you can manifest your ideal life. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified when I release new videos and go live. Make sure you get my free ejaculation control course through the link in the video description below. So in this video, I'm going to explain the 3 gates of female orgasm. So there's actually many different types of orgasm that women can experience. But in one of the Taoist traditions that I studied in, they talk about these 3 different gates of female orgasm as being the primary sexual experiences that women can have, and kind of the differences between them and how you can help a woman go deeper and deeper into levels of orgasm. So the first gate is the clitoral orgasm, and most women have experienced this type of orgasm. This is the most common type of orgasm that women experience. As the name suggests, this is an orgasm from clitoral stimulation. And as far as the depths of orgasm potential, this is one of the most shallow and limited for women. I think it's quite similar to an ejaculatory orgasm for men in that it's quite short-lived, often isn't that deep. And after a woman's had a clitoral orgasm, there's often a period of heightened sensitivity where her clitoris actually becomes almost too sensitive to be stimulated for a short period of time. She may even feel a bit fatigued and tired after this. The clitoris is relatively external on the body, right? A woman doesn't necessarily need to be penetrated to experience this type of orgasm. So it's more external and just doesn't quite have as deep an experience compared to the other levels of orgasm. The next one is the G-spot orgasm. This is a deeper experience of orgasm for women, as the G-spot is actually inside of her womb space. It's inside of her yoni. And the G-spot orgasm results from G-spot stimulation. Unlike the clitoral orgasm, this type of orgasm can take a bit more time to be activated, so to speak, in women. A lot of women have wounds and traumas that they hold within their yonis, and it's almost armored to protect themselves from being hurt, right? So the G-spot requires a lot of respect. It requires a lot of openness and trust for the woman. She must really be able to surrender and open up to have the G-spot orgasm. And this type of orgasm creates a very powerful emotional release and awakening for a woman. It's a very, I would say, emotionally kind of centered area of the body. It's very common for women when they have a G-spot orgasm to sob uncontrollably, to have powerful emotional release. And this can be a very powerful healing experience for women. And this will often help them awaken a lot of their dormant sexual power that's been maybe suppressed within themselves. Check out my video on G-spot massage to learn more how you can help a woman achieve this type of orgasm. And then finally, the third gate of orgasm for women is the cervical orgasm. So the cervical orgasm is one of the most deep types of orgasm a woman can experience. The cervix is much deeper within the yoni. And for this woman, activating this cervical area can take even more kind of opening and surrendering than the G-spot orgasm, as it is a very deep and often very tender area of the body for women. Again, there's often a lot of armoring and protection here. So doing a lot of work to free up this area can be very powerful for a woman's sexual and really overall spiritual energetic experience. And the cervical orgasm for women is often much more of a multi-dimensional spiritual kind of kundalini-esque experience. This can be a very powerful spiritual awakening for a woman, as it really taps into the womb space, which represents the portal of creation, which all possibilities can arise from. For a woman, having a cervical orgasm is often a life-changing experience and often helps her fully awaken her highest creative, spiritual, and sexual powers. So to help a woman have a cervical orgasm, it's usually easier for a woman to experience the cervical orgasm once she's had G-spot orgasm. So I would recommend working first with the level of the G-spot orgasm, and then once she's comfortable and opened up with that, then going deeper into the cervical orgasm can be much more effortless for her. As far as how to encourage the cervical orgasm, yoni massage can be a great way to help accomplish this, using your fingers or a wand, some sort of tool to assist with this. As the cervix is deep within the vagina, as you reach your fingers in deeply, you'll feel almost like a lip or something. You'll feel like you're on the edge of something that's a bit more tough feeling, right? And massaging around that area will stimulate the cervix and can create very powerful sensations of pleasure and also deep emotions and a lot of deep feelings arising for the woman. It's also possible to stimulate the cervix through anal stimulation for a woman, as the anal wall is very thin and the cervical area can be easily stimulated through it. So a combination of G-spot massage and anal stimulation for a woman can set a stage for a very powerful, mind-blowing, spiritually awakening, orgasmic experience. So these are the 3 gates of orgasm for a woman. Again, most women have only ever experienced clitoral orgasms, and when they experience these much deeper, full body levels of orgasm, it often completely changes them and helps them awaken so much more creative sexual and personal power. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, if you want to deepen your sexual abilities so you can help your partner achieve these states of orgasm, check out my Multi-Orgasmic Man 12-week course. There's more information in the description of this video. Ladies, if you're watching this, my partner Mariah and I created a course for women called Multi-Orgasmic Goddess that will help you to awaken your sexual power, free your sexual energy, and experience a more orgasmic life. I'll put that in the description of this video as well. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Have a great day, my friends.